Alright guys, spring is just around the corner here in Germany and the leaves are not quite there yet, but still, I'm taking out my beautiful BMW M2 Competition and we're going to meet some other cars next, so let's hop in and go for a drive. Isn't it beautiful? So joining us today is this beautiful Corvette C8, quite a sporty ride I guess. It's quite stock, apart from different wheels, and the exhaust tips are also modified, but nonetheless a very beautiful car. And besides the M2 we also got this very executive looking 8 Series Cabriolet, which is an M850i. So 530 horsepower, more than enough for this kind of road and also what we're doing with it. So M850i in front, Corvette C8 in front of the M850i. So this place overall is called the Sauerland, which really translates to sour land, like in the actual taste sour. Anyways, it doesn't have anything to do with it, it's just how it was named somewhere hundreds of years ago. There's actually signs saying, "Funny road ahead." So the video is gonna end now. It was a really fun day. I hope you could enjoy it as well, and I hope to see you soon in my next videos. Peace.